Leatherface goes on a rampage. Ready, set, go.
What the hell's going on?
Right here.
ᵃᵗʰޭ.
Mel?
Okay, now hold still.
Now, it's my turn to die.
1, 2, here I come.
You okay?
I'm here, bitches.
Try anything and you cancel, bro.
I guess I choose canceled.
It's him, isn't it? Leatherface.
50 years I've been waiting for this night.
Just to die.
I know I could have shot him 100 times, but I really wanted to die.
Motherfucker.
Hey, you know what? I changed my mind, actually. I'll move here with you.
I don't think so, bitch.